It's our Skills Ready initiative where we like to connect students with industry before they leave school. So it's a win-win situation. Employers are looking for young employees that have some skills, and this group have the skills and are looking for work. Well, the one class is Electrical Foundation program, and they come out of this program with their year one technical training for the apprenticeship training. And the other class is the Trades Explorer. And the idea behind that, it's students that want to go into a trade but not sure what trade. So they cover a lot of the construction trades like carpentry, electrical, plumbing, sheet metal, some drywall. It depends on which program they run. Sometimes they do automotive and some welding.
It's a 40-week program. I'm in grade 12, I've graduated early, and we learn lots about the fundamentals of electricity and actually how to wire things, and we're gotten to pipe bending now. And I knew nothing about wiring or pipe bending when I came in here, and I've quadrupled my knowledge on not only the theory of electrical, but also the physical actually wiring things and making them work. After this, I actually want to go into the high voltage end of things. I'd like to become an aerial linesman eventually. So what an aerial linesman is they get strung off helicopters and they work on the power lines that go in between cities. So I think that'd be pretty cool. But this is a great stepping stone right out of high school. It's a great knowledge gainer.
So right now I'm in the electrical construction industrial. We started in January and it's going really, really good. We kind of started off with more math side just to get a good basis on that kind of idea. And then we started more in wiring, like pipe bending and stuff. And then we're going to start going into more control panels and lights and stuff. Being able to meet all these different people and seeing different employers and what they can offer and provide to you it's really good. And the connection that they have, because it's, I'm not a very big city, it's really cool. But yeah, I just want to be as employable as possible.
There's a major shortage of skilled workers, not just Canada, worldwide. And BC's booming. So there's extra work. There's more people retiring. We're still not going to have enough skilled workers in the province to take on all the work that's available. I had a chat with the students this morning, and I said, no matter if you're not sure what trade to go into, I said, just have that conversation. I said, any job you start with is going to be a labor job. Just get that first job, work hard, have a look around, and it might be for you. If not, they might have a connection that they might be able to connect you with. There's just so much opportunity out there. And if you don't try something, you're never going to know. So this is what this is all about.